Stop guessing when it comes to local AI. This video will show you how to find the perfect model for your PC. The guessing game of downloading a large model, only to find out your hardware can't handle it, leads to wasted bandwidth, wasted time, and system crashes. The solution is LLM-FIT. It's a lightweight terminal tool that analyzes your hardware and predicts exactly which open-source models will run smoothly on your machine. The fastest way to start is by using the provided curl command to install. Once done, you can instantly launch the interface by typing LLM-FIT. LLM-FIT offers instant system profiling. It automatically detects your CPU architecture and core count. It also reads available system memory and GPU VRAM to calculate strict hardware constraints. The tool uses predictive metrics, including model size, a 0 to 100 confidence score predicting performance, and expected generation speed in tokens per second. LLM-FIT provides the ultimate verdict by categorizing models into perfect, good, or runnable based on projected speed and memory usage. It also suggests the ideal task for the model. You can find specific models instantly. Press the / key to open the search bar and type the name of any open-source model to pull its specs and your hardware's compatibility score. Filter the noise by pressing ESC to exit the search and then F to cycle through compatibility tiers. Instantly hide models that will bottleneck your system and only view perfect fits. Say goodbye to the old way of searching forums and waiting for crashes. With LLM-FIT, you run one command, view predicted speeds, download the perfect fit, and start building instantly. Stop guessing, start building.